Hey everybody, this is David with Savvy Organics Farm, where we are obsessed with growing our own food for ourselves and our homestead and for as many customers as we can. So I'm out in the greenhouse today and going to show you something that we do with not only spent produce, kitchen scraps, but also from all of our laying hens when we have a surplus of eggs. I'm going to show you how we use those to make a great fertilizer. So occasionally we have more eggs than we can use or that our customers will need. So one of the things I have learned is to use them as part of our regenerative process, part of the permaculture process, and to use them as fertilizer. So first I'm going to dig a small trench roughly close to where a row may end up in this bed. So we'll get us a nice furrow there. And I'll do this 3 times across this bed and create 3 rows. So next, it's as simple as taking the eggs that we have a surplus of and plopping them down in here. You could do this with your kitchen scraps. You can do this with anything that you want to compost, especially if you're not going to be growing in an area of soil over the winter months. You can bury the compost and kitchen scraps, and in this case the eggs, directly into the soil, the compost. We have a lot of worm castings that we've added to this, and manure and other things, so there will be a great addition, adding the nutrients from the eggs, including the calcium and other things from the shells, plus all the egg nutrients themselves. So I just go down the row here and crush the eggs like so, and then just gently cover them back up and continue to get sticks out of here that shouldn't be there. So just a garden tip for today, an easy way to create some a use, and a really good use, for spent produce, eggs, and other things that would benefit the garden soil. So these eggs will also help the earthworms, give them some food, and so would any kitchen scraps that you might want to treat the same way. If you live in an area prone to predators and scavengers, such as, I don't know, raccoons, skunks, possums, those kind of things, you may want to do it so that it's in an area like this in the greenhouse where nothing's going to get in here, and that way they're not attracted to these kind of scents. But out in the field, in our large market garden fields out here, if you happen to get in there, it really doesn't matter. We just cover it up, rebuild the beds, and keep going. So I hope you found that tip helpful. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.